So here's how to share a project on CapCut PC. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your CapCut PC. After that, here you have to simply log in your project, and once you launch your project here, now you have to make changes or edit the video that you want. After making all the required changes and editing your video, now as you can see, when you try to share this file or project, you will not be able to view this option. As you can simply share the projects on Adobe Premiere Pro. On CapCut PC, you will not be able to share your projects. You have to simply click on the export option to export your video. Then you can simply share your videos with anyone. You can simply upload your projects to Google Drive, or you can simply click on share button to share via WhatsApp. Once you have successfully exported your project, now it will give you the option to publish. You have to click on it. Once you click on it, now you can share your CapCut projects to anyone. So that's how to share projects on your CapCut PC.